This is my main crop garden number 5 through this gate, and I haven't even made a proper gate door yet. This is all how I'm keeping the rabbits and things out. That's the latch. So in the gate here, we're coming to get something for breakfast, and I don't know what I'm gonna get. I ate a kohlrabi yesterday. I had, like, it's hard to believe, it's like, I don't know, 21 kohlrabis in here, and I'm down to 2, 4, 7 of them. But as we get to their larger sizes, I don't know, we don't need to pick them as often. So that kind of works out. Here's my leeks. I had a leek yesterday. I'm not going to have one today. Some of these are just huge already. Look at that one. That's a monster. Here it is, only not even the middle of July yet. These are elephant garlic, or wild leeks. Some of them I clipped the top off. Some of them I'm leaving it grow. This one here is starting to open up. These are radishes. That's why I should have. I should have some radishes because they're going to seed. It's so fast. These radishes is kind of neat. I planted them under this black raspberry fence line, and they don't get a lot of sun. It's probably 6 hours, 7 hours of sunlight, and they're bulbing up pretty nice in here. At least so far, the ones I've been picking have. Let's see what this one is like here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice one right there. That is going to be breakfast. Yeah, let's use another one. I'm going to seed here. This one isn't much, so I'll take that one too. So here we go. This is going to be fried with eggs for breakfast right here. I'm going to be snacking on some tayberries. Oh yeah. They're really nice and bright. Ooh, they're falling right off. Falling apart. Perfect. These potato plants are definitely spent. Oh, there's some potatoes on them. I was wondering if we had potatoes or if something was wrong with them, or the black tree pots maybe has sped up the process of the growth. And although this is a meager harvest, it's really fresh. So I'm going to have some fresh potatoes.